Hello and welcome to another video edition of collegedekho.com. Today, we will embark on a journey to one of the prominent technical institutes of Northern India, Dronacharya College of Engineering. Located in the Millennium City, Gurgaon, Dronacharya College of Engineering, also known as DCE, provides quality education along with value-added courses to engage the students in understanding of the concepts, thereby enhancing their knowledge to become successful professionals.
We are not only imparting technical education to our students, but we are preparing our students to contribute for further development for the society and the nation. We have the credit to have the maximum MOUs with the number of industries. They are always involved over the research and innovative work. These all are helping for the placement of our students for topmost industries and companies.
Established in the year 1998, the institute is imparting technical education to prepare the students as well-skilled technocrats and provide them an opportunity to think, visualize, explore and experiment, which will help them to design their career as per their interest and meet the expectations of the industry.
At Dronacharya College of Engineering, it is just not the classroom teaching, but we also give opportunities to the students as well as the faculty members to have online learning and attain extra certification. We also organize some of the online workshop from NITTR Chandigarh, and we also organize workshop through QEEE.
Affiliated to Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak, DCE offers BTech in Computer Science, Electronics and Communication, Electronics and Computers, Electrical and Electronics, Information Technology, Civil, Mechanical, CSE and IT, Applied Sciences, and MTech in Mechanical, Information Technology, Computer Science, Electronics and Communication. Training-based curriculum, discipline, latest teaching techniques and exposure to the industry grooms Dronacharyans to become competent engineers as well as proficient entrepreneurs.
College is one of the MIC Microsoft Innovation Center of India and has Pearson VOE Center for all certifications. We have Entrepreneurship Development Cell which helps students to enhance their skills and prepare them to become the future entrepreneurs.
The institute is committed to fostering students the pursuit of individual excellence through participation in seminars, workshops, conferences, project exhibitions, cultural, social and physical activities to help them evolve as all-rounders.
Apart from education, management focuses on extracurricular activities too. Students are taken for industrial visits on regular basis, which help us to interact with practical life of organizations. College has a well-equipped eYantra lab for robotics. eYantra is a big competition of robotics in which many teams from our college participate.
The Training and Placement Cell of DCE actively trains the students on all the parameters essential for recruitment. This training is a perfect blend of academics, technical training, ethics and values. In their pursuit of excellence, DCE is a sought-after name for good placements in the Delhi NCR region.
The institute has a track record of 90 to 95% placements every year. Most of our alumni students hold prestigious positions in national as well as multinational companies like IBM, TCS, Aeon Hewitt, L&T and also Defence Forces.
Located amidst the serene environment away from the hustle-bustle of the city, the college provides students with modern facilities with an ambience conducive to theoretical and practical learning. So, if you're looking for a college which acts as an interface to transform students into responsible, confident, and knowledgeable professionals who are suitable to meet the demands of the competitive environment, Dronacharya College of Engineering is the place to be.